What's up guys, Earl here of Yuga Tech, and this is our Note 12 Pro 5G unboxing and hands-on. Okay, so now it's time to do a quick unboxing on the Note 12 Pro 5G. So, opening up the box, we are greeted with another box which I presume, contains the SIM ejector tool, a jelly case, and another set of paperwork, which I think is the user manual and also the warranty guide. And underneath that, we do have the phone itself, which is wrapped in this eco-friendly packaging. There we go. Then underneath the phone, we do have a 67-watt fast charging brick, along with the Type-C to USB-A cable for data transfers, and also for juicing up the Redmi Note 12 Pro 5G. With that out of the way, let's go ahead and take a closer look on the Note 12 Pro 5G. Right off the bat, the Redmi Note 12 Pro 5G has a reflective glass back with metal sides, so it is prone to fingerprint smudges. Comparing it to the Note 11 Pro 5G, Redmi has changed their camera layout by having all cameras in one island, whereas before, the main camera was in a separate square. The Redmi branding also are seen down below the camera module. Similar to its predecessor, the volume buttons and the power buttons that acts as a fingerprint sensor are seen on the right side, while the top has a 3.5mm headphone jack and a set of speakers. The bottom also has a speaker, the USB Type-C port, and the SIM card tray. This device also has a 6.67-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels and a refresh rate of up to 120 Hz. The Redmi Note 12 5G is powered by a MediaTek Dimensity 1080 with either a 6 or 8 gigs of LPDDR4X RAM, depending on the version you get. For internal storage, the phone comes with either a 128 gigs or 256 gigs of UFS 2.2 storage variant. It runs on Android 12 skinned with MIUI 13 and has a 5000 mAh battery with support for 67 wide turbo charge. For cameras, it has a triple rear camera setup consisting of a 50-megapixel Sony IMX766 OIS, 8-megapixel ultra-wide, and 2-megapixel macro, while up front for the selfie camera, we do have a 16-megapixel shooter. For videos, it can shoot up to 4K at 30 frames per second. As for the price for the Redmi Note 12 Pro 5G, we have yet to get any info about that, but we will let you know soon once we're able to know more. And that's it guys, what do you guys think about the Redmi Note 12 Pro 5G? Do let us know in the comment section below, and if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like, subscribe to our channel for more content, hit the bell icon to notice any future uploads, and be sure to follow us on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, and visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Once again, this has been Aurel, and I'll catch you guys at the next video.